Hey there! Ready to make your very own custom stickers that stand out on social media? Let's get right into it. Step 1. Open your browser and head over to chatgpt.com. If you're new, click sign up to create a free account with your email or Google. Already signed up? Just hit login and you're good to go. The free version works perfectly for this. Step 2. Pick an image you want to turn into a sticker. Keep it simple and bold. Think selfies, memes, cute artwork, whatever pops and grabs attention. Step 3. Upload your image and paste a specific prompt into the input field called prompt. To make things easy, I've already written it for you. You'll find the exact text in the description below this video. Just copy and paste. While the AI is processing your request, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button. It helps a ton and keeps this kind of content coming. And just like that, your sticker is ready. Check it out. You can download it and use it on WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, or even print it out if you're feeling creative. Didn't get the perfect result the first time? No worries. Just tweak it or try again. Honestly, the second or third version sometimes turns out even better. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll have killer, one-of-a-kind stickers in no time. If this helped you out, show some love by liking the video and subscribing to my channel, CyberGuideTV.